we unearth nature's most mind-blowing secrets and sprinkle them with a little chaos. I'm Zoe Callahan, your host, comedian, and wannabe alchemist who once tried to detox with pine pollen and ended up sneezing for a week. Today, we're diving deep into superfood flowers and cutting-edge plant extracts. Think pine pollen, pumpkin flowers, and CO₂-extracted chamomile that's basically sci-fi magic. Joining me are two fiery new voices with a zest for the botanical wild. First, Dr. Juniper Blaze, a renegade ethnobotanist who's probably brewing a potion in a forest as we speak. Welcome, Juniper.
Zoe, I'm stoked to be here, ready to crack open nature's vault and spill its juiciest secrets.
And we've got Cassia Thorne, a biohacker and flower-obsessed wellness guru who's likely got a pumpkin flower smoothie in hand right now. Cassia, what's up?
Yo, Zoe, I'm buzzing harder than a bee in a lavender field. Let's get floral and fierce.
Hell yeah, let's talk superfoods from flowers and some next-level extraction tech. Juniper, set the scene. Why are flowers like pine pollen and pumpkin blossoms the superheroes of the plant world?
Flowers are nature's concentrated power packs, Zoe. Pine pollen? It's a beast, loaded with spermidine for cellular autophagy, basically anti-aging on steroids, plus apigenin for neuron protection. Just a teaspoon mixed with honey boosts immunity and energy. Pumpkin flowers are no slouch either. Bioavailable zinc for male health, and quercetin 3-glucoside for inflammation control. Toss dried pumpkin blossoms in salads or steep them for tea, and you're golden. These aren't just pretty petals. They're nutritional dynamite with serious biohacking cred.
Nutritional dynamite? I'm ready to blow up my smoothie game. Cassia, why should we care about flower superfoods? I've got protein bars and kale. Do I really need pine pollen in my life?
Oh, Zoe, kale's cool, but flowers are next level. We're all about precision nutrition, stuff that works smarter, not harder. Pine pollen spermidine literally recycles your cells, keeping you young and sharp. Pumpkin flower zinc and quercetin fight inflammation and boost vitality, especially for guys. These aren't just foods, they're upgrades for your body and brain. Plus, they're sustainable. Grow pumpkins or source pollen from eco-farms, and you're eating with purpose. Ditch the processed bars and get floral. It's like hacking your DNA with nature's best.
Okay, I'm trading my granola for pumpkin petals. Juniper, let's talk extreme extracts. CO₂-extracted chamomile, cryo-extracted sea buckthorn. What's the deal with these high-tech flower potions?
These are the Ferraris of plant tech, Zoe. Supercritical CO₂ extraction, like with chamomile, pulls out chamazoline, that blue pigment that's a hardcore anti-inflammatory, while keeping 100% of its potency. No heat, no solvents, just pure magic. Cryo-extraction, used for sea buckthorn flowers, freezes at -196 degrees Celsius to lock in flavones without oxidation. Those flavones? They're in anti-aging serums that make your skin glow like you're 20. These methods aren't just fancy. They maximize what flowers can do, from healing to turning back the clock.
So I can slather on sea buckthorn and fight wrinkles like a futuristic druid? Sign me up. Cassia, there's some scary stuff too. Foxglove, belladonna. What's the vibe with these dangerous flowers? And how do we not, die?
Totally, Zoe. These are the bad girls of the flower world. Powerful, but risky. Foxglove's digoxin can regulate heart arrhythmias, but a smidge too much, and it's game over. Belladonna's atropine helps Parkinson's in microdoses, but it's a poison if you mess up. These are not DIY. Only doctors should touch them. For us mortals, stick to safe superfoods like pine pollen or calendula. Always check sources, eco-farms or certified suppliers on iHerb or Etsy. Start with tiny doses like half a teaspoon of pollen and watch for reactions. Respect the flower, or it'll school you.
Noted, I'm steering clear of the floral Grim Reaper. Juniper, let's get practical. I'm stressed, my skin's a mess, and I want to feel like a glowing forest elf. How do I use these flowers and extracts in my daily routine?
Let's craft your elf vibe, Zoe. For stress, brew hibiscus tea with a pinch of pine pollen. Spermidine and vitamin C will calm and energize. Skin woes? Mix calendula-infused coconut oil, 1 TSP nightly, with a spritz of lavender hydrosol. For that anti-aging glow, try a capsule of rosehip extract, 250 milligrams daily, with a drop of cryo-extracted sea buckthorn serum. Detox? Blend chlorella and hibiscus powder into a morning smoothie. Store pollen in a cool, dark jar, and source CO₂ chamomile from nutraceutical shops. It's like a daily ritual to channel your inner forest deity.
Forest deity is my new Tinder bio. Cassia, I saw these personalized schemes, detox, skin, anti-aging. Break down a game plan for someone like me who's new to this, but wants to go all in.
You're gonna slay this, Zoe. Here's your starter pack. Detox. Morning smoothie with 1 TSP hibiscus powder and 1/2 TSP chlorella. Cleanses like a boss. Evening, take 1 TSP calendula and coconut oil for gut health. Skin, use a comfrey lavender gel on your face nightly, and take pine pollen, 1 TSP with honey, for a month to boost collagen. Anti-aging, pop a 250 mg rosehip extract capsule daily with a pinch of astaxanthin powder in your water. Source from certified eco-farms or iHerb. Check ISO 16128 certs for extracts and start small to avoid allergies. My fave? Hibiscus pine pollen tea. It's detox, energy, and glow in 1 cup.
I'm ready to glow so hard I'll need sunglasses. Juniper, what's the future of this flower superfood game? Are we like snorting cryo-extracts or growing pine pollen in space? Space pollen? I'm booking my ticket to Mars. Cassia, final pitch. Why dive into flower superfoods when I could just eat a burger and call it a day?
The future's wild, Zoe. CO₂ extraction's getting so precise, we're pulling single molecules like chamazoline for targeted therapies. Cryo-extraction's scaling up. Sea buckthorn serums could be in every dermatologist's office by 2030. Bioengineered flowers are next. Imagine pine pollen with 2x spermidine via CRISPR. Space? NASA's already testing microgravity herb growth. Pollen could be an astronaut superfood. And get this, nanotech's embedding flavones into skin patches for 24/7 anti-aging. It's flowers meets Star Trek, and I'm all in.
Burgers are fine, Zoe, but flowers are fire. They're not just food, they're medicine, energy, and beauty in one. Pine pollen spermidine keeps your cells young, pumpkin flowers zinc boosts your vibe, and chamomile's chamazoline soothes inflammation. When stress and pollution are real, these superfoods are your shield. They're sustainable, powerful, and make you feel like a badass alchemist. Blend some hibiscus, smear some calendula, and live your best life. Burgers can't compete with that.